Alright guys, so we're all dressed up. We are about to leave to head to the Bazaar Meats by Jose Andres. It's a Spanish modern steakhouse and apparently they're one of the best restaurants in Las Vegas. So we're really excited to try that. So we'll be there soon. Alright guys, we're in the Sahara, so we are walking to the Bazaar Meats. Let's get it guys. Really excited. Nice, thank you. I'm great.
The Wagyu back there?
The Wagyu right here? Where? The Wagyu? What we didn't get? Dude, whipping it up right now. Whipping it up right here.
You can tell by the color, it's dark.
Ooh, all kinds of steaks here, guys. There's some up there too. Kitchen is bitchin'. Ooh, look at this. Oh, cool. Alright guys, so we just got to the Bazaar Meat by Jose Andres. There's a lot of meat in here guys. Supposedly that is their go-to. This whole menu is just layered on layers of steak and meat. And our waitress Stephanie, she was telling us that this is one of 9 restaurants in the US that serves authentic Wagyu. But you know what, we just went ahead and got the chef's recommended prefix menu. So it should be good. There's super giant pork skin chicharron. You know what? I'm just gonna show you when the dishes come. So let's do it. Let's tour the restaurant. This place looks pretty nice, guys. There's like a bunch of like game on the wall. Some crocodiles, some elk. I don't know. This place is supposed to be known for its meat, so I guess it's very carnivorous.
And then this is the giant chicharron with a yogurt sauce. He's gonna do the waiter's gonna come back and do a presentation actually.
Okay. Ooh, battered up. Okay.
That's all you need.
So you need nice and light.
Spice blend. A little mix of Mediterranean and Middle Eastern spices.
Ooh, Mediterranean Middle Eastern spices. Oh wow.
There's a little bit of chicharron right here. It's still clean. We got the uzu pear right there.
A little bit of
Philippines, so that's all we eat is chicharron.
Ooh, what is this right here? Is hummus?
Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt, okay. Nice. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try the chicharron for us. There's a little bit of seasoning on here. Let me taste it first. Super crunchy. Light salt. Try it with this Greek yogurt dip. Surprisingly very light, very fresh and cool. And this chicharron, guys, is really crunchy. Nice salt. It's a good appetizer. To me, chicharron is chicharron, you know what I mean? Fried pork skin. So, I don't really see too big of a difference to regular chicharron.
The Kobe AIRBREAD right here. So it's a raw Kobe beef on top of some bread. I think there's some creamy cheese inside it.
Alright.
This is raw, so you gotta eat right away. No words to describe this one. Oh my goodness.
Alex says he doesn't have any words. Let's see if I have any words to describe this Kobe AIRBREAD. Swish.
What do you have to describe it?
The reason why it's called AIRBREAD is because the area in here is hollow. There's definitely some cheese encrusting that.
Wow.
But this meat right here, this raw Kobe beef, really tender and fatty. It melts in your mouth. Kobe beef just tastes like butter, literally. You can't even taste the meat. It like melts onto the bread. It's fire. It's really fatty, but it's just like butter, guys. It melts. It's real Kobe. So apparently this gin and tonic is a palate cleanser for the tastings, and this comes with the prefix menu. It's pretty strong, but I can see how it definitely cleanses your palate.
So Kobe beef, if you've never had it before, it's supposed to melt in your mouth. So all it takes a little bit of heat, which is the tongue, So once it hits the tongue, it just melts automatically. So that's when you know it's a high-grade Kobe beef or Wagyu beef.
So homie just put a shoe on our table, guys.
What is it made out of? Oh, it's plastic. Acrylic.
That was ice.
It's acrylic.
Croquettes de pollo. Let's try it out. That's hot. It's really good though, savory, crunchy and crisp on the outside. That chicken is nice and tender. What is in bechamel? It's very creamy.
It's heavy cream.
Heavy cream, yeah, it definitely is really creamy. Maybe that's why they put it in a shoe, to cool it down. Because the shoe looks super cool.
So we're gonna start off with the for me, Spanish Iberico ham. It's a black-footed pig that feeds off the acorn. This is from Salamanca, Spain, 4-year cured, carved from the leg. Beef cecina, cured beef leg. We're gonna have wild boar, Spanish-style chorizo, pimentón, Spanish-style mortadella, Spanish manzanilla olive, and piquillo pepper there, and then our mole salami.
Okay, we're gonna try the beef tartare. It's beef sirloin. Apparently it's raw. Let's try it out. Very interesting, very light. It's cold. Sour taste. There's like a lot of herbs in here. Apparently it's anchovies and their house sauce with some mustard. That's where the sourness comes from, the mustard.
I definitely like the acidity in there. And the bread just holds everything together, which they're very, very delicious and interesting.
Wow, bro, this is the top quality meat of Spain.
So, this is actually not part of the fixed menu, but Alex ordered it for us because we love charcuteries. Pairs very well with wine or any type of alcohol, but yeah guys, this charcuterie board looks pretty crazy. All the meat looks very quality.
How about how dark it is too?
What is an Iberico ham?
It's the highest quality cured meat in Spain. We can only get it in Spain, and I guess now we can get it from the Bazaar, baby. First?
Which one is that?
Tell that it's been aged for a little while.
This is our MULEFOOT ham that we actually cure in-house. There's a little bit of parsimon on there, chopped peanuts, and then a little bit of microphone.
Try all these charcuteries. You're gonna try the dark red meat first. What is this? It looks like beef. It's all ham. This one's really dark.
Compared to the Italy prosciutto.
It's a lot better. It's thicker, not as salty. You can taste the quality, thickness in the meat. It was really thick, very hearty. Let's try this one. This is wild boar. One of these are wild boar shit. Okay. Nice. That one's more tender. I like that one. Fattier. Goes down a little bit easier. Gin tonic, clear palate. What's this one right here? It looks like pepperoni nipples.
It's like salami.
Salami. Looks like Omar's pepperoni nipples right here. Okay. That one's spicier. So it's like crunchy. Definitely a spicier one. It's good.
It's a pate.
This is a pate. Vietnamese people eat this too. We call it jat. It's like the Vietnamese jat. Sweet, spongy.
And that's what they call the mole.
This is the mole, okay. I love mole. This looks like the Sergio beefcake pepperoni right here. Okay. Interesting. Not as spicy as the other one. That one was kind of on the bland side, but the texture was there. There's a small pepperoni nipple. Let's say this is mine. There's a lot of fat content on here. Crunchy. This one's more fatty. They're all pretty good, guys. It's a little to the palate. So this is part of the mixed menu, prefix menu, MULEFOOT ham with persimmons, frisee, and peanuts. All these cuts look really fatty. Delightful is the best word to describe that. I don't know what's in the middle, but it's like spongy and sweet, almost like a dessert.
It's the persimmon.
Persimmons. Peanuts gives it that nice fragrance. And that meat on the outside, the ham, nice and crunchy.
That's what it came for. Iberico ham.
I was about to go ham on the ham.
Oh. So my family went to Spain a few years ago without me, and I told them bring me home some Iberico ham, but they couldn't. They couldn't because of the export laws. You can't bring in any raw meats to the country. So I'm gonna try it now. I like the gamey taste. And when you dry age like cured ham, like over time, the more you cure it, the longer you cure it, the gamier it is, which I like.
This one's my favorite, by the way. The thick one right here. Try that one. The thick one.
I just had it. You gotta smell it. Whoa, that's for sure aged. That's super gamey, so it's for definitely the ones that like that acquired taste. Not everyone has it. This is the mole.
The mole one. Right. Oh no.
This one has like a chocolate taste.
Yeah, that's mole. Yeah.
There's definitely some chocolate in here. Wow. Wow, that's weird. In the meat, chocolate? Wow.
That's mole for you.
It's called interesting meats. It's the one that the jamón con persimmon. I really like the extra crunch the peanut brings. Add it on top of the persimmon and the cured meat. Woo. Perfecto.
The meat is here.
Black truffle sauce.
Dope.
Is that a black truffle sauce?
Black truffle sauce.
Steakhouse made potato chips from the meal. JOSPER asparagus over ROMESCO sauce. And buttered potato puree for the butter and truffle.
Nice.
Is that butter in the middle?
Yes.
Oh.
Clarified butter.
That's called a heart attack.
So guys, the tenderloin is here, the main dish. They're known for their meats. Okay, it comes with the truffle sauce, black truffle sauce. I'm trying out the sauce. It's a Chateaubriand tenderloin, BRANDTBEEF, HOLSTEIN. Let's try it out.
It smells good.
Tenderloin, nice and tender. It's medium rare, so try it out, guys. Yeah, salud. Very tender. Tender bender. That's all I can say. Very tender. You can taste the quality of the meat. But I wouldn't say it's bland, but it definitely needs some sauce, which is why we have the black truffle sauce, which is right here. Black truffle sauce. See this right here? I'm gonna put the black truffle sauce on here. Alright. Now let's try it again. The knife just carves straight through it. It's so tender. That's a nice glaze. It definitely needs a truffle sauce. It's like a, kind of reminds me of soy sauce. It's like a light glaze, a little salty, a little bit sweet overall. Definitely pairs well with this steak. So we got the side right here. Extra butter. You see this? So let's try this extra buttered mashed potatoes.
Should we call this the MTM mashed potatoes?
MTM mashed potatoes because he loves his fats and extra butters. Let's try it out. You could definitely taste that extra butter. Really fatty, savory. It almost tastes like ice cream. Like literally, it almost tastes like ice cream. Alright, these are house-made potato chips. The souffle chips. Let's try it out. It's flaky. It's airy. Not your typical Lay's chips. Asparagus. There's a little tomato sauce at the bottom. I don't know what it is, but it's red. Let's try it out. Tomato sauce. Nice and roasty. You taste the grill. Almost tastes like a cactus. Nopales. It kind of tastes like a nopale. You can taste like the grill on it. There's a little tomato sauce. Interesting. Good. For that steak, guys, with that truffle sauce, you guys gotta try it.
Bright red. Perfectly medium rare. I like the red meat by itself too.
You do need that truffle sauce.
Yeah, because filet mignon and tenderloin, they're typically not the fattiest pieces of cuts, so you don't get that much flavor. I'm a big ribeye guy, that's a lot of flavor in there. But here, when you eat filet mignon tenderloin, they usually offer you some sauce on the side.
Definitely.
So that's why they offer sauce on the side. But as you guys know from the Gordon Ramsay burger video, I love my truffles. Let's try this out. It's like a soy sauce au jus. I like these. This is different. It's not a French fry. almost like a French fry. It's like a fried Chinese bread, but potatoes.
I think that's the appeal to this place. It's new, trendy. A lot of their dishes are very interesting and different. Like the chicharrone is not your typical, you know, starter, you know, bread, and those chips aren't your typical French fries or just regular chips. They're like souffle chips. So yeah, guys, very interesting.
I'm very hesitant about this. I'm not a big butter guy. I'm gonna try a little bit. I can already see all the butter coming through, but it tastes like real butter.
Yeah, it tastes like butter, bro.
Yeah, that's it. That's all butter in there.
Cloud of butter with texture.
I can't eat that, dude.
So yeah, guys, they gave us a little dessert platter. Has assorted little cakes, pastries, but this cream puff looks like the king right here. Let's try it out. Very fresh. Very crunchy on the outside. It's like a lemon mousse on the inside. Very tarty. And cold. It's good.
What's on the outside? What is that? Toffee?
But if you want,
I think it's like graham crackers on the outside, or like a bread, like a sweet bread, like crackers. Looks like a little brownie. I don't really like that one. There's some nuts in there, and it's a very dark chocolate. I'm not a dark chocolate fan, so that's why I don't like it. But you try this little thing right here. I don't know what it is, but
Guava.
guava. It's like a little candy. I like this one. Nice texture. It's like gelatin. It's pretty sweet. This last one right here.
you can choose the meat.
One good. My favorite one. Cookie butter right here. Crunchy on the outside, spongy on the inside, really chewy. Gets kind of like in between your teeth. This one's good. My favorite one for sure.
It's a lemon cream puff, or lemon and Claire, as that's known for. Delicious. So far, everything's been good desserts. A little bit of everything. So this one, Dan didn't try. He's not a big pistachio fan, so
Alex is a big pistachio fan.
I'm a big pistachio. There's definitely some citrus in there. See, there's like a layer of jam or something in there. I don't know what it is.
Oh, guava. That's the guava. That was guava. Pistachio.
Yeah, this is guava jam.
Charcuterie is made right here. Working on the meats.
That's the umbilical ham.
That's what we ate? Is that the umbilical ham?
Is that the umbilical ham?
Yes,
All of them.
they're all, the breed is Iberica.
Right.
So we have 3.5 year, 4 year, and 5 year, all very different, but they're all the same breed.
Yeah, we had that sorted platter. I liked it a lot. I like the aged taste.
Nice. All the meats are here. Alright guys, so we're back. Pretty full from the Bazaar meats. So overall, my opinion on the place is that they definitely specialize in the meats. I really like that Kobe AIRBREAD and the umbilical ham charcuterie board, dry aged meat. But honestly, I would say that I don't think that we ordered the right thing, because we got the sampler. There was a minimal meats, and like the best or the biggest meat item there was the beef tenderloin. It was a great, delicious tenderloin, don't get me wrong, but it's just, I feel like we should have tried other meats there. I'm sure the meats there are great. But yeah guys, if you guys like this video, like it, comment down below where you should go next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.